Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the difference between dimensions and measures. Um, from our previous lecture, the commonly used terms in Tableau, we talked a little bit about dimensions and measures. So once you connect to your data set, you're gonna find, once you get to the sheet level, that your data has been arranged in dimensions and measures. What it really means is all the discrete fields that cannot be quantified which are qualitative, I have been grouped under the dimensions column or dimensions field, and all the measures are shown on their own little window. So everything that can be added or quantified, it's shown over here right below measures. So like items like sales, quantity, profit, discount, all of these are fields which are going to be added up, and fields like category, these are all qualitative fields which cannot be added up, these are discrete, so they show up right here. When you create parameters, they also show up over here. So if you were to create a parameter, we haven't covered parameters just yet, we will be covering this in the future topics, but if you were to create a parameter, it shows up right here as well. So that is the difference between dimensions and measures.